Okay, it's time for a Tuesday tip. All right, Shannon. So what if a client has an heirloom piece? Maybe it's something super fabulous, or maybe it's not so fabulous. So how do you work it in regardless?
You know what? If it's special to them, we're gonna work it in.
Right.
If it doesn't look so nice, or seen better days, then it may not be the first and most focal thing that you see. But we are going to incorporate it in the project. We'll embrace it,
Right.
and we will work around it. We'll work with it.
Because when the mother-in-law comes over and is like, "Where's the sofa I passed down for you?" You're like, "Oh, it's
Absolutely.
right over here in the room on the other side of the house."
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, of course we're gonna.
And then if
work it
it's
in.
something fabulous, you could use it as a jumping off point for a room. That's a great way to do it. So yes, we'll incorporate those beautiful or not so beautiful family heirlooms into your design.